To connect your Spotify to a device easy and fast. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect a Spotify to other device easy and fast. So first thing, go to Spotify. Now go to the top corner right here and click on the wheel and go down and search for connect to device. And here is it. Now click on this option right here. And now you can choose from here the device that you want to connect in easy and fast, and this is the volume that you can choose to make it up or down as you want. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.